It's been 10 days today since my dad has been in the ICU. Every day has been a battle to live for my dad and to all the people who are here at the ICU ward. So today's message is going out to everyone who is sick, who is fighting to live, who needs oxygen. If anytime you all reach into a stage where you all have to come to the ICU, please make sure that you accept the NIV mask, that is the non-invasive mask, that is the mask which is external. Please have courage to accept it, because the amount of deaths that we have seen in this couple of 10 days has been terrible. Last night 3 people died, a 32-year-old, a 50-year-old and a 65-year-old. So requesting everyone is to be each other's comfort, to share positive messages to everyone, because we have realized when a family comes in new, they are all in distress, they are crying out because they don't know what's happening inside the ICU. We have to comfort them as much as we can, because trust me, we at this ICU block has become like a family. We assist, we help if they need food, if they need hot water, if they need diapers, if they need a place to sleep. We just do all the arrangement for anyone new who comes in, because everyone is suffering, especially those who come to the ICU. And we comfort them, guys, and giving positive messages. So if you have your family members in ICU, please share a video message or a voice note through WhatsApp and tell them that they will get all right, or they are healed and they are waiting, families waiting for them to come, because that's the only hope they have when they are in the ICU, is to hear family, friends, something positive. That's what I have done for my dad. I have told all my cousins and family friends to please send voice note, video notes, and I make my dad listen to it, because my dad can't hear properly. So I put the voice and I place it right near his ear, and he nods his head, yes, yes, yes. He keeps saying that with the mask on, and he, being 75, has accepted it, and he wants to get all right, he wants to come home. And everyone is praying for each other, whether it's Hindu, Muslim, Christian, everyone has come together and they're praying for my dad. Same way we have to pray for everyone who's here in the hospital. Trust me, we are all alone over here battling it out. It's been 10 days now, I've not gone home. I've been here with dad. Every time he needs a small thing, he needs water to be fed, he needs food to be given, he needs his diapers to be changed, anything to be clean, we have to reach there. And we are just outside the ICU. I will show you how we are all sleeping, how we are in the ICU ward over here. It's been hard on us also being outside, because we don't have hot water, and it's terrible because half of us are positive, half of us are negative, and we need hot water. They expect us to go home, get hot water and come. But what about the people who are staying far away and who can't go home on a regular basis and who are stuck here? We share our water, we help each other, we be each other's comfort, and trust me, give whatever energy, support you can to any other family in distress. We have seen family members suffer and they have lost their dear ones because of COVID. Please accept that NIV mask, be brave, be positive that you're going to fight this battle out, and you're going to come out and you're going to go to your loved ones' homes, because this is what we need right now. Positivity. Every day my friends keep calling me. I'm saying, Cecil, my family, everyone call, Cecil, don't worry, Papa will be fine, Papa will be fine. There are days that one day I saw my dad where he just didn't wake up in the morning, and I was shaking, crying, shouting, and his sugar had dropped. Everything was normal, but he was just not opening his eyes and not being responsive to me. Certain days have been traumatizing for me, and I know how every day I'm dealing with it over here at the ICU, and there are families here who comfort me and I comfort them, and we help each other to get basic things done for us over here. Reach out, help out, and thank you for everyone for praying, because I can see a miracle happening in my dad, and there is a sign of improvement today, and I hope it just gets better. Please, people, pray for everyone who's suffering here in Goa. Pray for them to get healed. My mom is doing well. She's being discharged. She's at home. My friends keep going over to her place, calling her up, checking on her, giving her food, assisting her. So thank you to my friends. Thank you to Aldrich for assisting my mom, especially during. Thank you for everyone who is helping out my family. Thank you for reaching out to us, and to please give this positive energy to everyone who you all come across. Don't fear about COVID. COVID is all about fear. Accept it and say, I'll be fine and I'm going to fight it and I will be healed. This is the way that we are going to come out of it. No one else is going to help us. Stay focused, stay positive, and give tremendous energy to our family members. Thank you and God bless. And please keep praying so that my dad's out of ICU and there are no more complications that comes up in the next coming days to come. God bless you all. Thank you.